Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick ethical information review between these two video editor platforms, which is Descript and DaVinci Resolve. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Descript is perfect for creators who want fast AI-assisted video editing. It lets you edit by text, remove filler words, and instantly generate caption. Ideas for podcast, tutorial, and social media videos. The interface is clean, simple, and great for quick projects without heavy technical steps. DaVinci Resolve, on the other hand, dominates with it comes to professional grade editing. It offers advanced color grading, visual editing, and deep timeline control, but it's far more complex to learn. Descript wins for speed and simplicity, while DaVinci Resolve is the pick for filmmakers chasing precisions and cinematic quality. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.